The new 11th generation Intel Core H series mobile processors codenamed Tiger Lake H launched worldwide today, led by the flagship Intel Core i9-11980H, the world's best gaming laptop processor. The Intel Core i9-11980H delivers the highest performance in laptops for gaming, content creators and business professionals, reaching speeds of up to 5.0 GHz. With new 11th Gen Intel Core H series processors, Intel leverages deep expertise in advanced processor design and PC gaming to bring the world's best gaming laptop processors to gamers around the globe.